Crypto didn't begin with thousands of coins in billion-dollar industries. It began with one revolutionary idea: digital money anyone could use, without banks, borders, or permission. Yes, the world of crypto logos, exchanges, and apps can feel overwhelming, but once you understand the foundations, everything becomes simple. At its core, cryptocurrency is digital money, powered by decentralized networks and secured by cryptography. No bank controls it, no government issues it. It runs globally 24/7, enabling faster transfers, global access, and true ownership without intermediaries. All of this operates on a technology called blockchain, a digital ledger stored across thousands of computers. Once a transaction is written, it cannot be altered. Just remember the key distinction: blockchain is the technology. Cryptocurrencies are the assets built on top of it. And not all crypto is the same. Each type has a purpose and a risk level. Bitcoin stands alone, the most decentralized, the most secure, with a fixed supply and no CEO. Smart contract platforms power global applications. Stablecoins track real-world currencies for fast, simple payments. To use crypto, you need a wallet, but your wallet doesn't store your money, it stores the keys that give you access to it. Hot wallets are great for beginners. Cold wallets offer maximum long-term security. And those gas fees, they're not a scam. They're what keep decentralized networks running. But before you start, you must understand the risks: volatility, scams, the danger of losing your keys, and the hard truth that most altcoins eventually disappear. Now you understand the foundations: what crypto is, how blockchain works, why Bitcoin stands apart, and how to stay safe. This is your first step into the digital asset world. Clear, confident, and ready to explore.